Hey guys, today we are unpacking the Pokemon Generations Pikachu Booster Pack. So first up we have an Energy, and then at 50 health points we have a Zubat. At 80 health points we have a Magmar. We have another Energy. We have Trainer Crushing Hammer. At 130 health points we have Yveltal. At 160 health points we have Jolteon. At 40 health points we have Flabébé. I think that's how you pronounce it. And we have a Trainer Pokemon Fan Club. And then we have a Trainer Pokemon Center Lady. So there you have it guys, the unpacking of the Pokemon Generations Pikachu Booster Pack. Please like, subscribe and comment.